Hello, Internet. So people don't really enjoy learning. And there's one very simple reason why. By the way, welcome to the Empirical Sword. I'm Lord Master DLC 79, and I happen to believe the school doesn't teach. We have to take our education into our own hands, meaning we have to do this learning thing ourselves, and it'll be really helpful if we actually enjoyed it. So now I know what you're thinking. So many people are like, you should learn something new every day. You should learn one new thing every day. No, one thing is not enough. If you really enjoy learning, you should want to learn as much as you can at all times. There would be no way to get enough. One thing a day, that's like, I'm going to learn something and then I'm done. That's not enjoying education. That's not enjoying the learning process. And there's a very simple reason why. We associate learning, or we're taught to associate learning with discomfort. And think about the environment where we spend the majority of our education. An environment where we're told to sit at an uncomfortable desk, to shut up, pay attention to some boring lecture about a bunch of useless things that have nothing to do with actually living in the world. Like, learn all your state capitals, or here's a vocabulary list of words that you're probably never going to use, or learn all the countries in Africa. I mean, nobody's going to enjoy that. That's not enjoyable. And I know what you're saying. Well, education shouldn't be enjoyable. Yes, it should. But it should also be practical. And I think the enjoyment is related to the practicality. I mean, if school were to teach things that we can actually use in the real world, wouldn't that be a little more enjoyable than just learn all your state capitals because... Just saying. But I mean, the thing is, the human brain is built for learning. I mean, every time we learn something new, we're supposed to get a dopamine release. And dopamine is the neurotransmitter associated with feeling good, or at least feeling good in the moment. That's supposed to happen. But cramming children in these classrooms where they're forced to learn things that really are useless in an environment that doesn't really do anything for stimulating dopamine release, we're taught to it basically diffuses our own reward system for learning. We need to figure out a way to reverse hack that. Get that system working back the way it's supposed to. Hack our reward system so that every time we learn something new, we do get that dopamine release. And we get addicted to learning. We want to learn more. That's what we need to be doing.